Hi everyone, today I'm going to share how I created this Boston highway. Let's start from the beginning. First of all, I'll hide everything and I will add all the material. Go to material by clicking this plus minus button. I will add all the leaf material. Here I have added, and bark material and rock material. So this rock also I have to hide. So these three material we have to import first. Then go to mesh, click this plus minus button and add the rock or wall. So I have added the rock here, so it has come here. Add the rock here and Y up. Now select the tree, click right button, add a trunk, go to spine, reduce the size to 6 feet, go to skin tab, reduce the radius, 0.4. Now select the trunk, go to material, the material we have assigned there, that will be here. Here is the bark material. Now select the trunk and add this rock to the trunk, the force. So select the trunk, right click, add force and geometry. Here is the rock. So rock has come here, put it down, just on the floor. Move it back. So once you move back, you can see all the forces are working well. So now we need to assign material on the rock. So for that, we have to click this button, include in model. So once we click this one, you can see material has appeared. So now we have to assign the material we have imported here. So this is the rock TJ, this is the material here. Now select the trunk tail, go to segment. I need to add some polygon here. So I'm adding some polygon. Cuckoo. Select the trunk, add branch. So here one is, go to generation, go to interval and count 2. So still is not visible. Now add the frequency. So you can see only one side is visible. What you have to do is go to rotation and rotate like this. Add more frequency and reduce the first value, so it will start from the bottom. Okay, that would be fine. Go to skin tab. I would like to increase the radius of that. Okay, that would be fine. Now we need to add force on this trunk to this branches too. So select the branch and go to force and click this rock, so that force will work on that. So now you can see it's having some kind of gap here. So you have to fill the gap. So you have to increase the force amount. So here also you have to increase the force amount a little bit. Okay. Now select this branch add another branch here. Go to generation, again interval, count 2, rotate, and add frequency. Go to Scheme tab, increase the radius a little bit, and from generation go to first, reduce the first amount so there will be more, and change the rotation like this. Now we have to add force on this too. Now currently you can see like huge polygon is here, so we can reduce from here. I'll reduce later. For the moment I just need the shape. So here is the branch, select it, go to force and add to the rock. So again the same, we have to increase the force, so that will be here. Now select the branch, we'll add the leaf, go to Scheme tab and reduce the leaf size, and go to generation, interval, and add the frequency. Reduce a little bit more, we can add after that. Okay. Now select the leaf and reduce the count to, go to orientation, okay, add the sky. Now go to material, assign the material we have taken. This is the material. From here you can see we have assigned all the color, base color, opacity, normal, gloss and specular. And here go to edit, we have added polygon also. Now click here and go to orientation, add some fold, and curl, now you can see all the leaves are same size. So what you have to do is click here and go to generation, sync, click here, and now reduce this one, put it down, and you can see from the top it's getting small, from the bottom is same. So we can increase a little bit more. Now select the leaves, go to generation, we can sync out a little bit. And we can give some random rotation value and random position to make them a little bit different from each other. And from orientation tab also we will give some random fold value random curl value, and random twist value. So that's how I created this one. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.